Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today we're going to talk about Baidu, which is the Google for China. This channel is an education channel and our goal is to share information in order to make you a better trader. I'm a swing trader, trying to capture the major swings in the market or even the minor zigs and swings of the market. If you could buy down here and sell up here, you're good to go and make lots of money in the market. If you could sell up here and buy back down here at a lower price, you've made a lot of money. Of course, it's not just as easy as looking at a picture here of historical data. You're sitting over here. Now what do you do? So that's what we're going to cover today. I'm going to cover some fundamental analysis, some technical analysis, what other people are thinking, and then how can you make some money in the market. Let's get started right away. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. So before we look at any of this stuff here, we can see that the day before yesterday, we had a green candle. Things looked a little better. It was streaking down as all technicals were. And then it took a little pause here. That was Friday. And this is Monday, and this is today. And today, it's a little bit indecisive. It's about 9, almost 10 o'clock. The futures are all in the red at the moment. Let's just see what them. Not doing much at the moment. So it's a green. I think it's going to go green today. I think the market actually is going to go green later today as well, which will make the zigzag go green as well. You need a green bar here. 2 down for your fractal. It'll change directions after 2. By the way, look at how perfect this is. Knows it does it because it looks always 2 bars ahead of time. Looking at the market yesterday, this is today actually. We're seeing the big boys still in the red. All the technicals, the big boy technicals in the red. Baidu slightly in the green at the moment. This is Finviz, and we had a big run up and then a big run down. The target price is $348. Currently trading at 210. That's a lot of movement, almost up to here at its support and resistance. It's a profitable company. It looks profitable for the future. It's optionable and shortable. We look at that, and the analyst is recommending a moderate buy. The earnings date was in February, so we have a couple months left. We've had some recent upgrades in March, just yesterday, to buy. That should create some action today. Lately, I've been using Tipranks, the free version, and I probably go to the paid version, which is about $30 a month. It gives a target of $349, same as Finviz, about approximately. Trading at this rate at the moment. It's rated a strong buy. Rated an 8 when it's outperformed. The hedge fund activity decreased. We don't like that. Strong buy. We like that. We don't like it's not profitable. It had a bad year. And it looks good for the future. Revenue is growing. Earnings was growing and dropped a bit this last quarter. There's an article. It has lots of articles online. But AI is here. 3 strong likes to buy for AI, Baidu, iCAD. I don't have that on there, so at some point in time I'll look at that up. And I don't have the third one either. Yes, in February the earnings were slightly mixed. Well, all systems seem to go. Was just a minute ago $8. Everything seems to be going for Baidu. I think I'm going to stop a minute and buy in. Coming back to the technicals. By the way, you see this green bar has gotten bigger since I started this video. Anyway, I use some various different indicators. This is a zigzag. It's a perfect indicator, except that you have to wait to use it for 2 bars. It's just 2 bars after it doesn't know what it's doing. And it looks like it's going up. 2 bars wait. And it looks like the stochastic RSI is looking ready to pop. It looks like the real RSI, which was below the 30, is ready to pop. Both of those, I like to see both of those confirm each other. And it doesn't always happen. Usually the stronger signal is the real RSI. You get more singles with the stochastics, and you get your minor singles. But some of those are good too. This one here would have been a great run. Anyway, I'm taking this trade and this recommendation based on the RSI, based on the fact that it's been beaten down for the last, looks like 30 days. and I think it's ready to pop. It has good fundamental reviews. I'm comfortable with this stock. Now let's see how we can make some money. Repeating, the current price is 209. I just did a refresh of that. 209. I just got in at 214.89. Oops. It's a very large company with a market cap of $70 billion. It's profitable. It will be profitable in the future, I'm sure. I'm trying to make sure of that. Target price is 348 according to Finviz, and 349 according to Tipranks. It has a Graham number, which means there's some value. If you break the company apart, there'd be value left over. Had earnings in February, so it's about another month or two for the next earnings. And the analyst rating is a 2, which is a buy, according to Finviz. And it's strong buy, according to Tipranks. Going into the options spreads for April, May 7th, which is 38 days. We have expected move of about $10. I think that'll happen very comfortably. As I said, I got in at 214.89. It's currently at 209.36. 209. So I lost my $5 in just a matter of minutes. Well, that's what happens with this highly volatile stock. And if everything works out right, based on a small investment of about $1,200 with a small account of 5,000 some change, I suspect I'm going to make around $60. So in conclusion, which I did, I bought approximately 6 shares of BIDU for a small account. If you haven't already, consider putting it on your watch list. I would go ahead and look up his competitors, and put them on the watch list. But in the end, do your own due diligence. You know, you can't really take anybody else's trade recommendations and trade them. It just doesn't work. You have to come up with your own. You can't use somebody else's work. You have to learn it yourself, and you'll find that out if you're just taking people's random recommendations on the internet. Never do that. You can use their recommendation to validate your opinion. I think I do that constantly. It makes you feel good, but in the end, it's all you. Anyway, I hope this helps. I think BIDU is ready to pop. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the flip. Happy trading today.